Rise and shine. Morning everybody, we're here at Magara. This is our first night. Actually, day 2 na kami. Ganda dito. And Margot is... Grabe yung bed namin, super laki. Pinagdikit namin. Hello! And I had my breakfast na and I think we're gonna join the... Ano to? Go! Go away. Go away. We're gonna join the matcha sesh... Ano tawag doon, Charles? Ano tawag doon, Mami?
Workshop siguro.
Workshop, yun. So we're gonna join the matcha workshop. It's around 11. So 10 ginising ko na sila. Para naman may magawa. Bakasyon galore talaga tong family ko eh. And look at the view, guys. Oh. Morning, ganyan makikita mo. Wow. So by the way, this is in Bataan. My favorite place. Joke lang. So kasi ito yung province namin, Bataan. So it's good to be here din. Malapit na kami dito. This is Magara in Bataan, Orani. Yan. Magara Hotel. Ang laki. Look. Yan. Sorry for the kalat. Huwag nyo na lang tignan. Margo sabi nga, banana. Good morning, Margo. Hi. The dog. What's the sound of the cat? What's the sound of Margo? What's the sound of Mommy?
Now I can sit here.
The finest silk is cotton. So these are really expensive. They have the principle or the philosophy of wabi-sabi. I'm sure a lot of you have heard of them. Last is the aroma. So bad matcha is you'll be sharing that small bit. So maybe you can just pass the scale along when we're
Let's go. So how is it again? So we open this now. Open. Yep. Guys, this is my first time making my own. Well, my matcha with this the proper way. Let's go. Hello. 4, no?
Yes, we recommend for...
Sir, let's go. I'm making my own matcha. How do you shake it like that? Sir, tama ba? I just tap it or paano ba?
You tap it, tapos ito yung barista secret. You can use your spoon, and then tulak mo lang siya pababa. Kasi
Ganon.
yan, oh, parang mas ano yung close sa baba.
Faster pala.
Yan ang barista
There you
secret.
go. Palit.
On the way to becoming a barista. Yan.
Yes, sir.
Very nice.
4 grams, BC 4.
7 yan.
Pwede naman.
Wala siya sa focus. Hindi may ano ka pa, buubo ko pa sa gilid. Tignan mo sa akin, wala. Let's go making our own matcha. Ano ko na nasa gilid?
Ano na, a little off na.
Hey, Matcha Pro. Let's go. We're here at Magara, of course. We have matcha, what do you call this? Shesh. Workshop. And yeah, first time making matcha. Let's go. Then put some and the matcha.
I think you have to do it.
Hey, you do it. Ikaw yan, para alam natin na ikaw yan. It's all you.
So I'm pouring my matcha.
Mali.
How do you do it?
Let's go. Ayan, guys. So, try natin kung yung gawa ni Mommy. Let's go. Ito to? Looks good, guys. Oh my gosh. Excited to try this. So, ano ba to? Haluin ko muna. I will mix it. Sir, how's may How's may matcha ba?
Parang barista. Barista ka ba, sir?
Actually, sa ibang buhay.
Sa ibang buhay.
Baka first time mo gumawa ito.
Panalo.
Sir, apply na ako sa inyo, sir.
Alam mo, hire. Personality hire na galing pang barista.
Guys, meron kaming bago ngayon. You should try dito sa Wisp. Yan, sige, try natin.
Ayos.
Try natin.
Enjoy. Thank you.
Alright, and then the matcha. This is the matcha latte. And here you go, ma'am.
Thank you.
Let's go. Whisk Matcha Bar here at Magara Hotel. Woohoo! So yan, thank you, Whisk Matcha Bar. Grabe, I made this myself, itong matcha na to. And I tried the first one, ang sarap, grabe. Ito na yung second one ko. Salamat nakapag-matcha dito sa Bataan. So, ready na. So today, lunchtime na kami. And then, saan na ba yung asawa ko? I think they went to Sinagtala. Hoy, where are you guys na? Ito. Sinagtala daw sila.
Woo! One step at a time. You can do that. Go! Take a step. Feeling ko, hindi ba masyado maano kasi mag-ano yan? Say thank you! Hi, Mom!
Sit down first. Dad, oh my God! Where? Say Magara. Say welcome to Magara Hotel.
Come on, look here.
Say welcome to Magara Hotel. Where?
Are you counting? Oh, look here, baby. Go!
Say welcome.
Kunyari siya ang guest mo.
Yes. Oh, say welcome.
Ayan, go.
Welcome. See it. Repeat after me. Welcome. Hello. Welcome to Magara Hotel.
Where are you going? You're going to go around? What? Thank you! Wow! Woohoo! We're going around. Yan lang ang sinagtala pala.
Sa loob po.
You're so happy. Where are you going? Margo is going to Sinagtala. Say thank you. Who is going? Margo is entering Sinagtala. Wow, she's having a ride. What? Nag-swim pa kami dito, naalala ko. Wow. Where is Margo? We're here. Wow, you see that? Wow, where is Margo going?
Yung punta ko po dito, 3 po. Matagal, ano na po ako dito, halos 4 na taon na rin po.
There's a horse, babe. Mercy.
Magkakaiba po yan. Yun sa Magara po, si
Ito yung cafe. Ano naman to?
Tampay po.
Like ka kunyari, Angelica dyan.
Opo, ngayon po, dulan. Full din po sila, implemented po po.
Hindi nasa, ano sila, may sarili silang ano doon.
Ngayon po yung figure po na po kami. Yan po yata gaganapin yung
Later, no? Margo's going around. Say thank you, kuya. Say thank you. So special naman. You're a guest. Are you a special guest? Thank you. Oh, there's a train. Train.
Oh, Daddy. Margo is so cute naman. Hey, Mommy, hold this.
She's not.
Shavar, let's go.
No.
Oh, makit na.
She's not afraid.
Naglalambitin pa. Hurt your, shoulders.
I think you should join gymnastics na.
Oh, feel.
I think it's about time.
Margo. So hard to have a baby pero masaya guys kasi happy for Margo. Happy. She wants to go out always. Meron pa kaming session dito. Oh, we're not supposed to go out yet. Hi Mommy and Margo. Margo, go. Tignan niyo yung view ko sa likod. There's a pool, Gabi Mountain, there's view. Sobrang ganda. My family's right there. It's just so hot. Wow! You wanna swim, Margo? Wow! Init.
Go!
Guys, today we are gonna go play some pickleball. Oh, where's my paddle? Play muna kami. Let's go. We're gonna go to the court na muna. Ganda ng court doon, guys. Ready ako. Ano naman? Let's go. Panta ko yung shoes ko. Wow, that's nice. Bago pa. Grabe naman si Margo. Margo! Wow, can you see? Wow, that fits you well. Like daddy. Come on. Sa mga pupunta ng Sinagtala, Magara. Wait, I'm gonna get the Alright. Woohoo! Let's go. Papalit lang ako ng shoes dun. I have to bring the shoes na rin, no? Let's go. Sheesh. Laro tayo ng pickleball. Kaya ito, mga kaya. Tayo sa, Tala Idol. So today, we're gonna go to Sinagtala na. Kung saan sumisinag ang araw. Sa Tala. Kuya, busi-busi na sa mga,
Ayan po yung natin. Punarin ka.
Best mo ba yan? Kala ko. Ano ba? Ito, best mo ba yan?
Hindi po.
Ano ba? Welcome to Sinagtala. Kaya kaganda dito. Naalala ko, pumunta kami dito years ago.
Hi, kuya.
Ganda nga po. Ang gugulo lang dito.
Kanina po si Margo dito. Kilala mo siya
Margo.
ni kuya.
Tinatawag na adventure time with family. Sobrang hindi ko nga makita yung mga tao baka tulog na. Nagpahinga siguro. Walang katao-tao dito. Tayo lang. Kasi pinareserve ko talaga tong lugar na to. Uy, may barilan din. May airsoft.
Oo.
Ano yan, libre?
Hindi po, sir. May bayad po yan.
Actually, hindi kami libre dyan.
Hindi po alam.
Pero bakit ba pa-promote yan? Ano?
Oh no!
D1.
Kasi sabi ko sa nila, papakitaan ko sila ng galing sa paglalaro ng pickleball. Sabi ko pag may nanonood, mga chika bebes, gagalingan ko. Ngayon kasi walang cheer. So gusto ko yung nag-cheer sa akin. Ang galing mo! Ginagaling ako doon. Mamaya papakitaan ko kayo ng galing. Ngayon, hika muna.
Para pumayat ka na.
2 pounds na. Ang bilis ni Idol. Ano yan? 2 years versus 2 weeks. Lintek, di ako makaubra sa galing niya. Napepektusan tayo. Go, Margo! Oh my gosh, you're so cute!
Hey everyone, hope you had on behalf of the Athlife Club, we prepared some PR kits for you. And of course, for your plus ones, we have a little tote bag. So once we call your name, you can go here and claim your PR kit. Will that be okay? All right, but
Margo,
PR kit
go!
CPX. Let me call on KC and CK. So here's your Athlife.
Margo!
We hope you enjoy it. So, although you will have a pack, Joseph. Hi, Joseph. So, we prepared something for you. We hope you enjoy it. Ayan, we're just making sure. Marie, ayan po. And then, Cheryl. Saxican. Is this? Tama ba, sir? Yan. Saxican. Yan. Meron ka ng paddle. Sunshine! Sakto. Napaganda na. Not yet here. I would like to call on Cookie. Cookie. Yan. Thank you so much. Alright. Ina.
Let's go play. Margo.
Sam. Said.
Stay there.
Emil.
Like.
Oh, well, later on, they can come and they can claim their piece. For the meantime, let's get...
Oh, is this?
Life. Yeah.
Wow. Margo, let's play. Come on. Go, Margo, here. Margo. Here.
Playing too? Or you just want the ball? That's it.
So guys, we're here at the pickle ball court and we're gonna play some pickle. Let's go. Ganda. Ang gagaling naman yan. Let's go. Let's go. Oho. Nice. So today here sa pickle court and kakatapos ko lang maglaro. People are playing here. Ayan. Laro sila dito. Let's go. Tayo, nagpapahinga lang tayo. Hi mga baso. So today we are walking around. Iniikot namin tong Sinagtala. And syempre dapat sa walkway tayo kasi may sasakyan. So dito kami sa Duyan. So here, Duyan, Sinagtala. So we're here at Duyan sa Sinagtala. That's Sinagtala. So swimming pool. Pwede ito mag-swimming dito, no?
I'm not sure.
Diba? So mami, so far naman ano bang nakita mo dito na nag-enjoy ka? Bataan adventure natin. Sa views, no? So kung mahilig kayo sa mountain views, mga ganyan. So hangin. Punta kayo dito sa Bataan. Ang ganda.
Init pero malabig.
Oh, hindi. Mainit siya pero yung hangin niya is cold, tama ba? Parang ganun siya. So we're just walking lang. And kasi walang tao. Habang nagpi-pickleball sila doon. Ang laking tuko nun. Malaking tuko yun na nakita.
So paano ang tunog dyan?
Poko. Laki. Wala pa silang trampoline. Pero hindi tayo pwede dyan kasi masisira sa... May kubo pa sila. Tingnan mo, ganda, diba? Tingnan mo, mami.
Yata tayo nag-swimming. Ito nga.
Dito ka tayo nag-swimming. Naalala mo, doon tayo meron tayo. Ito. May view deck na sila. Tapos ito meron na rin sila nito. Pero doon tayo, naalala mo, may memory tayo doon, mami. Naalala mo yan. Guys, ito, meron kaming memory dyan sa part na yan. Noong kami ay...
Single.
Hindi, couple pa. Di pa kami kasal noon that time. Tara, ito Infinity Pool. Grabe naman Infinity Pool yan. Woof. The view, man. Grabe, ganda dito. As you can see, ito nga sa likod ko. Ang Infinity Pool. Ganda. Sarap tumalon, no? Yan. Picnic pavilion. And then trampoline. And then ayun, may ganun pa. Beacon. Ganda naman ang puno na to. Ganda, oh. Yan, cafe. Tampay. So, magtampayin kita. Yan, Tampay. What's up, guys? We're here at Sinagtala. Ganda. May cafe sila dito. Tampay. Pero sobrang laki. Grabe, lakad na kami. Walking. Tulog ang aking anak. Laki na ito. Panawin. Hello. Guys, andito ako ngayon sa Bataan. Pero pinagtataka ko, ang lalaki pala ng manok dito. Yung pang sabong ba? Talagang panalo ka agad. Tingnan mo sa taas. Ayan, laki niya. Zoomin mo. Tama mo yan. Kumbaga, pagka nilaban mo yung manok na yan, sigurado panalo yan. Kaya pala, champion ng mga manok dito sa Bataan. Laki. Kumbaga sa Texas, parang Pegasus, yan. Laki. Horsey. Pony pala. There's a pony. Kala ko horsey. Pony pala. Ang dami mga kabayo dito, Kabayo. Kabayo naman to. Nice one. Ang ganito ang pony. Naku, tinamaan si Margo. Nagising. There's a horsey. Tulog-tulog na siya. Kinakain niya yung yung pala kinakain ng kabayo. Puno, no? Alamang doon. Tara. Manipayan, ha? Sipain tayo. Dito na tayo. Ayan,
Ayoko dyan.
Margo, dance. Dance, Margo. Careful, not the red one. Go dance. Ready? Dance. Look at Tita. Oh. Dance. Woohoo! Margo, dance. Woohoo! Show your moves, Margo. Yeah. Just videoan mo ngayon. Hi. Smile. Bye.
Okay, bye. Oh, wave your hand. Say goodbye. Bye.
Say bye-bye. Pareho mo. Bye.